Hi, I'm Candace Metcalf, and this is for my AEP 800 class, and I will be talking to you about EverFi. This is EverFi. It is an online program that you can use from any device, and it is great for your students. You can meet some of those needs that they have. It is free. You must be a teacher and have a school email address to get set up, but it doesn't cost anything. Up here in the corner, they have a phone number that you can call, and they will, when you're ready to set up, they will call you and they will walk you through how to use it so that you are not left wondering what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm already logged in, so just continue. Alright, so first I'm going to go to the course catalog so you can see some of the different options of courses that are available. They have a social emotional, financial literacy, college and career readiness, mental wellness. They have programs for students from elementary through high school. I teach high school, so I've not used the elementary ones, but I've heard that they're very good. We're going to go ahead and view this course. This is the EverFi New Financial Literacy class. So you can have a look at what are some of the different modules it goes through with the students. Down here at the bottom, it has banking basics, income employment, budgeting, consumer skills, credit and debit, financial and higher education, and insurance. So that is the financial literacy one. So I'm going to go, here are some of the classes I have. Another thing that I like about it, it has resources to go with it. So what you can do with your students is they can watch the module online. It reads it to them, so all they have to do is pop in their earbuds and they can listen to the program, and then at the end of the section there are things they have to click on as they go, so it'll keep going, so they don't just push play and walk away. But then at the end of each section it has a quiz that they have to pass. So on here for the resources, it does have the answer keys for the quizzes, but it also has extra programming that you can do. So maybe one day they'll do the module online, the next day you can do more readings and worksheets to go deeper, and you can talk to your students about what they've learned. So I like that resource that they have there. But it also will give let you look up how your students did in the class and how they did on the quiz, so that you can make sure your students are progressing, how far they are, and when they take a test they have to pass with a 70% or higher, and if they get less than 70% they can take it as many times as they want, but if they don't finish it then or they don't get a 70% or higher, it'll tell you, and you can look how many times they've taken it and what their scores were, but they have as many times as they need to take it. So it's a great program, and when they finish they can be completing the program and you can give them a little certificate about how they did with their EverFi program. I hope you like EverFi.